In this video, we'll see how to pass query parameters to your FastAPI endpoint. So as you can see here, I already have a small API running called slash get user info. So right now I'm sending in a default JSON, as you can see here. So now how do you pass a query param to this particular endpoint? So a query param is like you can pass it like an ID equal to 100 and a name. So you are trying to pass these parameters inside the endpoint. So in order to do that, you just need to define these things here, like ID, comma, and name, and that should help you to pass the params to the endpoint. Now if I read on the application and if I hit here, and let's do one more thing, let's try passing it as a response. So we'll know whether it's being getting passed to the API and outside. So I'll run it again. I go to the endpoint, I pass it. As you can see, the ID it's being passed as 100 and the name is J. Okay, now one more thing, like as you can see, as you notice here, it's string that's coming in, and this is fine, this is text only. So like what we can define types also for this thing. I'm going to define it as int, and this thing by default that's a string only. So if I save this thing and read on the server and I refresh this thing, you can see 100 is an integer and this thing is a string. So this is how you pass query parameters to a FastAPI. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.